Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start immediately by locking the frame and exposure so nothing drifts. This prevents flicker and keeps alignment consistent. Once done, mark precise human footholds and hand positions with tape so you can repeat poses exactly. Make your first pass. Pose, hold, trigger one frame, then move to the next marked spot. You're building a frame-by-frame map. Move only what's needed between photos. This disciplined start is the only way to get a convincing human stop motion base. Now you focus on controlled motion and rhythm. Take small, repeatable increments, 1/2 step or incremental arm shifts, so the motion reads smoothly. Make multiple takes of difficult transitions and immediately review them. Playback reveals jitter and tells you where to tighten timing. Adjust the pose marks and rephotograph only the troubled frames because consistency beats speed. Also vary your timing by repeating key frames twice. This creates natural pauses. Keep checking composition. Finish by importing frames into your editor and setting the playback frame rate. Try 12 to 24 FPS to find the rhythm that fits your action. Once imported, scrub for micro jitters. Use onion skin overlays, careful masking, or subtle frame blending to smooth tiny position errors. If a section still pops, stop and reshoot those frames using your floor marks. That single corrective pass usually solves the issue. Tip: if exposure or color shifts appear, batch correct all frames before final export to keep continuity intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.